Investing in pre-IPO stocks involves purchasing shares of a company before it goes public and starts trading on a stock exchange. Here's a guide on how to invest in pre-IPO stocks. Research. Identify companies that are planning to go public by conducting thorough research. Look for news articles, industry reports, and other sources of information to assess the company's business model, financials, growth potential, and any risks associated with the investment. Network. Build connections with venture capitalists, angel investors, and other individuals who have access to pre-IPO investment opportunities. Attend networking events, join investment clubs, and leverage online platforms to expand your network and access potential investment opportunities. Use online platforms. Some online platforms specialize in offering pre-IPO investment opportunities to accredited investors. Research and register with reputable platforms that provide access to a curated selection of pre-IPO deals. Brokerage firms. Some brokerage firms offer pre-IPO investing services to their high-net-worth clients. Contact your broker to inquire about available pre-IPO investment opportunities and the requirements for participation. Private marketplaces. Explore private marketplaces where accredited investors can buy and sell pre-IPO shares directly from existing shareholders. These platforms may require verification of accredited investor status and adherence to specific investment minimums. Due diligence. Conduct thorough due diligence on each pre-IPO opportunity, including reviewing offering documents, financial statements, and any other relevant information provided by the company or platform offering the investment. Understand risks. Be aware of the risks associated with investing in pre-IPO stocks, including illiquidity, lack of transparency, and the potential for losses if the company fails to perform as expected or if the IPO does not materialize. Consult professionals. Consider consulting with financial advisors, investment professionals, or legal experts who specialize in pre-IPO investments to gain insights and guidance tailored to your investment goals and risk tolerance. Stay informed. Keep abreast of developments in the pre-IPO market and monitor the performance of your investments. Stay informed about any news or updates related to the companies in which you've invested. Diversify. As with any investment strategy, consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk across different asset classes and investment opportunities. Avoid allocating a significant portion of your investment capital to pre-IPO stocks to mitigate risk.